The Orbikey is now even more comfortable for you to use. The overall thickness of the fasteners has been reduced by 40%, so that it fits perfect in your pocket. The form has been simplified so that the surface is smoother and your thumb sits nicely into the concave dip.
It's also more compatible than ever. The screw diameter is thinner so that it is able to accommodate a larger variety of keys. And the coin slot has also been enlarged to allow thicker coins. The new wave washer, which provides tension for your keys, automatically captures the fastener, making it easier to assemble.
Unlike its aluminium brother, the new Orbikey is made from stainless steel for improved durability. For the leather version, we're introducing a premium D-ring, where the edges have been softened and curved so that it's friendly on the leather bands.
We're also really excited to introduce to you a new lineup of band choices. This time around, we are replacing the old flat leather band with a cushioned leather band, making them stronger and more sophisticated than ever.
The newest addition to our line is the canvas band, which is light and durable and securely stitched to prevent fraying.
Last but not least, we have enhanced our line of accessories. We now have USB 3.0, which runs up to 10 times faster than our previous USB drive. We're also introducing the multi-tool, which allows you to have 7 handy tools in a very compact form.